morning. It's 4 a.m. and I'm planning to go on a long run. We'll see how it goes. Ang baon natin for today ay gummy worms. No, it's actually not a worm. It's a gummy Coca-Cola. May mga running gel ako here, but masakit yung chan ko, so I don't want to risk it. I'm a gummy girly. My hammies does hurt a bit. Ang plano today ay maglibot around Marikina. Nag-stretch na ako dito sa bahay, so let's go. Let's go. It doesn't taste good. 6K! Dito ako sa tabi ng Marikina River. Ang ganda! 7K! Ganda! 9K! 10K! RIP hamstring. 11K! Pero di pa rin sinisita yung Red Bull. Hi! 13K!